Hello, welcome to class. I am Teacher Joy, and today on ELA we'll be working on capitalization. Capitalization, as the word says, is a process of using upper cases correctly in the English language. I'll take that again. Capitalization is the process of using upper cases correctly in the English language. Let's do a fresh recap of what upper cases are. Upper cases are upper letters in the English alphabet. That is, your capital letters, such as A, B, C, D, E, Q, R, P, S, Z. If you look closely at these letters on the screen, you can see that these letters are written in the upper cases. Today, we want to know how do we use the upper cases correctly in the English language. And the process of using upper cases correctly in the English language is called capitalization. Now, to begin this class, you must note that there are some tricks that would help you to identify these processes. Now, if you like chips, such as plantain chips, potato chips, I think you'll like this lesson very, very well. Let's begin. Now, we have the word chips as the short code to identifying the process of capitalization. So let's begin. We have C, H, I, P, S. Now let's take each of this acronym. C is for calendar words. Calendar words like May. May should begin with capital letter, your uppercase, or a day of a week like Tuesday. You see? So either of these should go with upper cases wherever you find them, whether they begin the sentence or at the middle of a sentence. Calendar words: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And any day of the week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Any of these days or months of the year should always be capitalized because they belong to the group of calendar words. So the first from our acronym is the letter C, meaning calendar words. Months of the year and days of the week, they should all be capitalized. The next is holidays. H, holidays. Holidays. So we have special holidays like Christmas. Christmas. Christmas should be capitalized because Christmas is a holiday. So wherever you find Christmas, be it in the beginning of a sentence, at the middle of a sentence, or at the end of a sentence, Christmas should be capitalized. So I'm going to underline this. Which other holiday Easter holiday. Easter should be capitalized, regardless of where you find Easter. Beginning, middle, or at the end, because it's a special holiday. The next one we want to take is I. Now, I is unique on its own because the letter I is capitalized when it stands alone. When it stands alone. On its own. I on its own. I on its own is capitalized. I on its own is capitalized. So if you have a sentence like, I will go to the market, I should be capitalized. Okay? The woman and I will meet at the bank. The woman and I, capital letter I, uppercase I, will meet at the market. Okay? Let me write that down. The woman and I, you can see uppercase, will dance. So I should be capitalized regardless of where I is found. When it stands alone, it should be capitalized. Okay? I hope you're enjoying this lesson. Let's take the next one.